So I saw Greg Isenberg post a couple weeks ago where he was basically saying that we should create a clone for Docusign, a free version, a free alternative, because we are paying, everyone's paying a lot of money to use Docusign, but now with AI revolution, we should just build our own for free. And then I saw his video using Menus AI, where they tried to build, but it did a bunch of research, checked all documentation about DocuSign, but at the end, it wasn't able to build the app. So I thought, okay, I just built a tool where we can basically create a prompt based on um, on a scope of a project. And what if I asked ChatGPT to build me a description for DocuSign clone, and then add to my tool, and with my tool send to Lovable, and then we would have like a better prompt with every feature, every page, and everything else that we need to build a DocuSign clone. So this is what we are going to do today. First step is basically ask ChatGPT to describe what DocuSign is. Um, I need you to give me a complete description of what Docusign is. This should this should be only maybe 3 sentences, and please do not use doc Docusign name in the description. Create your own name. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Sure, SignFlow is a secure digital signature platform that allows individuals and businesses to electronically sign, send, and manage documents from anywhere. It streamlines workflows by automating contract approvals, integrating with popular tools like CRM and cloud storage services, and ensuring legal compliance with encryption and audit trails. With features like book sending, mobile accessibility, and identity verification, it enhances efficient efficiency while reducing paperwork and turnaround times. Okay, this is pretty good. So we go to my tool here and we create a new project. So let me add the description, and the name of the project will be Sign Flow. For some reason, the name of the my project is Scopes Flow, and ChatGPT gave me Sign Flow. Maybe it's just coincidence, or maybe it's the universe. Now the AI will generate the scope for us, the flowchart with the scope for us. We will give just a brief, quick look, and I'm not gonna change add pages, add features, change APIs. We probably will see some crazy APIs that I never heard about. But let's see here. Open project. Okay, that's not like that big. Um, okay, so let's see first what we have here. So we have a homepage, we have a user dashboard, we have a document signing, we have a book send, we have profile settings, we have user authentication, document management, we have document sign, we have book document sign, we have DocuSign API, SendGrid API, AWS API, and let's see. Okay, I'm not sure that I want to use DocuSign API because We want to build our own, so I will delete this. Okay, we're not going to use this one. And because this is only a test, what I would probably do if what's something that I wanted to create like a real side project. I would just add more pages probably and iterate more with the tool to get like we don't want to use um, Docusign API, of course. So how we're going to manage this? We probably have some errors here, but let's see. Now we have here the description of the app. This description was created by the prompt. This is not our description. Then we have here all the features. We have the pages. We have the APIs that we want to use, and we have the assets that we need for this project. I like to let the um, I wanted to add the assets here because then the project knows that we need a place for the app logo. We need to find the libraries for the icons, and we need graphics for the landing page. So it will give us places to place these on the landing page. So I'll just copy this, go to Lovable, paste here, and hit enter. Now we can wait and see the magic happen. Let's see if we can actually build a Docusign clone before Greg Isenberg does. Okay, this is just a blank page. Uh, okay, we probably had an error here. Let's try to. Okay, come on. This is the first error. Let's try to copy and paste again. Okay, let me see. I have credits. Let's refresh the page. Okay, maybe it's just too much for Lovable. When I tried the first time, my tool it worked. So let's see if we can actually. Okay, it's not even letting me hit enter here. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's try again. Okay, so it looks like it's probably some error with Lovable. Let's try one more time. Let's give him one more shot here. Let's now click here again. Okay, now it looks like that he's thinking. Spin up preview. We see here this dot here. That does it look like is okay. Now we have something. Okay, we have the structure. Okay, we have the structure for the landing page. We have the structure for the dashboard. We have our index page. We have dashboard page. We have assigned document page. We have off page. It's good. Um, okay, we have the layout. Let's see if okay as always is using Tailwind. Um, and I do prefer that it use Tailwind because when everyone was using V0, I was using V0, so I was creating the layout, the design in V0, and then sending to Cursor. The problem was that every project looked the same because it was using ChatCN mostly. So, like, it doesn't matter if I was building CRM or if I was building, um, I don't know, a marketplace or a social media, they all look the same. So, is It's cool that it now is it's trying to build something that is not like this look like everyone is building the same thing. So okay, it's taking more time than I expected in something like the folder. I don't know why. Let me see if I can go to the okay. Now went to the hero component for the homepage. Okay, I will let the video running because I want them to be able to check how many um, the minutes that we spent here. Let me just. Oh, okay, Google Chrome was already taking too much from my laptop, and now with Lovable, when I open Lovable in two tabs and I open um, cursor, is just like looks like I can fry an egg here. But okay, it's going. It's spending more time than expected again in the component for the landing page, but probably because on our prompt we have here. Let me show you. We have here the home page. We have all these sections. We basically have two pages. So yeah, it's reasonable that we will spend more time trying to improve the only pages that we have. So okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's see what we will get from this. Okay, let me try to go down again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, it's already on. Working on the off. I never know if I'm pronouncing correctly. Sorry, English is not my primary language, and lately it's not even my secondary language. Spanish is. So yeah, we are already in here. So if it is following this order, we are already creating the components for the off page. So we should be almost at the end. Let's see. And I think the difference, that's something that would be pretty cool if we had this in Lovable, is, or even though this is maybe something that I can add into my app, because what I saw here from Manus AI is that it spent a lot of time doing research and like taking screenshots, scraping the page to find information about Docusign, probably checking the layout, checking like we see here the features, checking the whole structure that it used. Probably it wasn't like that accurate because he wasn't able to log in into DocuSign to see all the pages and how worked the UI and UX inside the DocuSign dashboard. But if we could have here something that is a search before starting building the app, okay, we have an error. Let's dismiss. This is probably something because of my Google Chrome. Signing in. Okay. Okay, it looks like that we have it created an off component and now it's creating a sign in component. This is probably for the signature, not the authentication. But let's see. Okay, this I hope this wasn't to ask from Lovable. Let me close these tabs here because I also want to show the test that I did that you can see in my YouTube. Um, Shit, let me just because the first test that I did with my tool and Lovable was asking to create like a Giro album, and it went pretty well, like better than what I expected, like way better than what I expected. Um, like it created the I was thinking about building this in Flow, like the project that I'm talking about, because I want it to be mobile first. I want to be a native app, but I even thinking now if I can build this in Lovable, if it's reactive, and then send to cursor and ask to refactor and use expo. But I'm still thinking about this. Like this, let's wait this for load here. Okay. Now it went back to the dashboard page, and here we are still loading. I probably need a new laptop, or maybe just buy a standard computer with a better um, with a better setup. Let's see. Come on, I really want this to work. Cause here, man, it looks so cool. To be honest, not that is not because it's my tool, not because I built this, but this is something that I saw someone on Twitter saying that this would be pretty cool to have on Lovable, like a place where we could create the pages, create the features, be able to see the sitemap before start building, before start prompting. But okay, um, yeah, like I said, it was too much. Um, Client satisfaction, see the browser console for more information. Okay, probably because I had to this two tabs open. Let's okay, created. Okay, this one was running to probably. Let's see the console. Give me 5 minutes and I will figure this out. Okay. Okay, let's just close this one. Close this one. I will not give up. For real, I will not give up. I will make this work. I will make this work. Okay, now it looks like I can see my projects. Okay, it's just trying to load. Come on, come on. So this is the one that I was building, right? Let's click this here. Um, okay, looks like that created the dashboard. Now, created the sign in. Now, okay, build wasn't successful. Cannot read package. Let's just try to fix this. What? Let's see what would happen. Because nothing is actually working. And here it says, I have created a stunning Giro signature platform with a modern, clean interface inspired by Apple's design. Now I really want to see this. Now we need to see this. We would have to find a way to fix this for real. Not even if I need to go somewhere and buy a computer. We are going to finish this. Let's see if we can do this without me spending tons of money to buy a computer that can then handle this. Let's see. Okay, it went back to the index page. So this is something that is probably, yeah, it's probably something wrong with the client side. So probably something wrong with my laptop. It's not being able to handle this. But it would be cool if anyone could do this. So anyone with any laptop, any computer, any like setup could do this. So then we could do this using our mobile devices and work on our mobile devices. This is something that I don't like. And I don't really want to work on my phone, like build an app on my phone. But maybe if I have an idea and I want to implement right away, this could probably something be something that we could do. But let's see if now it's going to work, because it started creating, like we said before, we had the index page, we have dashboard, we have the sign document page. We see here that we already have the path. So we have the sign slash the ID of the document that we are signing, and we have the off page. Okay, went back to the off page. I just wanted to to be sure that it just stopped working because of um my laptop, and not because it was like an error with the project. I have moved all the page components into. Okay, this is reasonable. I added the missing file text. Let's see the code. Where is my. Okay, the build was unsuccessful again. We have the calling here, so our testimonials are all inside components home. Components home. We have here features. We have hero, and we have testimonials. Okay, let's see the error that we are getting. Okay, because probably if we see here, that's something that I learned not a long time ago. But if we come here, uh, actually, let's just this video is already too long. Oh, okay, 100,000 characters. Okay. Um, let's try first to refactor the dashboard. Maybe if we break down the dashboard, we will be able um, to fix this. Breaking into smaller components. Okay. This is something that this is also a problem with Cursor. I'm not sure if the other platforms, if like Boat or Replit, do the same, but usually creates huge files, like huge files. I tried to build something um, in Cursor, and I remember like the again the dashboard. Dashboard is also always the problem, but the dashboard had like 600, 700 lines of code, and we had a lot of things that could be a component being called, and I had to ask to refactor the dashboard. It didn't give me cursor didn't give you cursor don't give you like these cool buttons here saying, hey, maybe you should refactor the dashboard or refactor the index. But let's see if it will be able to refactor the dashboard at least. Um, but from what I can see here, probably, so if we cannot find the module. Um, okay, we have a different error now. Oops, looks like our AI had a bit of hiccup. Okay, it looks like this is not going to work. For some reason, mm, I believe that this was too much for the AI. We're not going to be able to fix this. This is the last try. This is the last try. Okay, maybe Greg Isenberg gave us this task because he knew this was too much. He knew that this was something that we could not do with just one prompt. Let's see. Um, what I'm not understanding is we have for our pages we have off, we have dashboard, we have index, we have not found, and we have signed document. For signed document, we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven imports, so not that many. And one is for an effect, one is for navigation, one is for animation, one is for the icons, one is for a button, and just one is an actual component. So, okay. If we take this and send this the way that it is now and send to cursor would probably have a better perspective on how to manage this, because now I think this is not a front end problem. This is probably um, something that not like for me. Lovable is my front end developer, and Cursor is my backend developer. Anytime that I want to improve security, improve performance, I take from Lovable and send to Cursor. But usually, I do this after the features are set up. So after I can at least do some navigation, I can see the features, how the features work, and we have the design done. Because Cursor, even though I always ask to keep using the same design, usually just create crap design for some reason. Maybe I'm not prompting correctly, but let's see. Okay, now it's telling me that I fixed all the errors by remove the duplicated file text, created all the missing module files. Yeah, I don't think that. Okay, okay, created the landing page. That's good. Okay, it's a pretty cool landing page. Not gonna lie. Okay, but what we want to know is if we can actually use this. I'm not going to be able to sign in because it's not connected to any of my um, Supabase projects. And yeah, the dashboard. Okay, now the dashboard is broke. The dashboard is broke. Let's see. Now the error is way shorter than it was before. Let's see if we can if we can fix this now. Um, I just want to say sorry for to Lovable team because it looks like that I'm forcing the AI too much. I will probably break these at some point. I'm sorry. Let me check the file to fix. The issue is fixed by changing the default value of terms. Not sure if I follow the all form. Okay, so probably is not showing because we are not actually signed in, right? Because the Zod schema defines terms as literal true means that it can only be true. By setting the default value true, you can sure. Okay. Can we fix the this is the first time that I'm typing here. So after I copy and paste here the the prompt, the only thing that I had to do was just click to try to fix the error. Can we fix the dashboard so we can take a look? Please remember this project is not yet connected to any database. We will connect to Supabase once we can at least navigate the dashboard. Oops, dashboard. Now let's see if we can fix the dashboard because two options here. One, we are not being able to see the dashboard because we are not logged in. But we can't log in, like the app can't verify that we are logged in because we have the off form, but we don't have connected to Supabase, so we can actually authenticate the user. Maybe this is the problem, or maybe it fixed the index page, it fixed the off page, but it didn't fix the dashboard page. Because if we take a look in here, the one that is working is index. So we have all the components here. Okay, we have all the components here imported, and but then here in the dashboard we have navbar, we have header, we have filters, we have documents grid, we have quick actions, we have upload to upload a document, and then we have the actual document card. But I'm not sure if we have all these components. Uh, where is the okay? We have the document card. Let's see if fix it. Okay, okay. Okay, never mind. Okay, fix it. Okay, fix it. But if I try to view here, we are now being, okay, we are able to see this. It's not, it's not the best, but oh, can we see the details here? Now we can see the signature. If I click to fill, okay. So this is like if I'm logged in, I just click here for the signature. Just click here to add the date, and just click here because I already know my full name. What if I click download? Nothing happens. But we have here the good filtering. We have documents. We have all documents. We have drafts. We have pending. We have complete. We can upload document. We actually can. Let's upload like something that I don't know what it is. It's uploading. I'm not gonna sure if it's gonna upload because we don't have a database. So, okay, kinda did. Send for signature, book send, templates, new document. We have here our profile. So I believe that like we spend now 35 minutes. Of course, we have a lot to do, like a lot to do. But if we imagine that a couple months ago with just this in with no code, with Bubble, let's say, we will probably spend like I would spend a week building just this. Let's see. Okay, a week working from 9 to 5 and not worrying too much about it. It will take me a week, but now we spend here 35 minutes with a bunch of errors, of course. But we see that we actually did just one prompt. All of this, like all of this, it was all using just one prompt. So yeah, if again, if we had spent a little bit more time in my tool in Scopes Flow, trying to add more pages, add more features, add like all the little pieces that Docusign has, this would probably we will probably get more errors, but we will probably um, get this done easily. Okay, we'll probably have more features done. We could probably set up describe better how we wanted the document to be signed, how to send the documents, how to we see here that we can I'm a bit impressed. Like we have to say that we want to take this and be able to place anywhere that we want. We probably need a library for this, and we didn't specify any dependencies. But this is this was pretty cool. Okay, we had a bunch of errors, but at the end we were able to build this. Okay, it's not done. It's not even close to be done, but I loved the landing page, and also I love these off page. I love the design. This will probably be something that I will try to get a little bit more a bit closer to what DocSign is. Try to get the feature of the document done, connected to Supabase, and then send to cursor to like to refactor the components, the pages that we need. Try to split the components so we can load faster and create the edge functions to like send the document to the person that need to sign this, and have a secure way for this person to click the link that is a unique link, and then go to the page and then be able to authenticate themselves and then sign the document. But this is with 35 minutes, one prompt, and only one prompt. This is just incredible. So, Greg, I'm sorry I wasn't able to build the entire Docusign clone in 35 minutes, but we got pretty close if I had a better laptop and if we didn't have that many errors. We will probably get this done in probably like 20 minutes or even less. But yeah, so Greg Isenberg gave us this challenge, and we almost done. We almost done. Okay. If you want to keep watching me trying new things and building these clones or getting more challenges from Twitter and LinkedIn, and learning more about Lovable and Cursor and other AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. If you have any question, leave in the comments. Thanks for watching me and see you in the next video.